That should be good right there. I hope the camera angle good, bro. I fuck with that shit so goddamn much because it's crazy. What's good with y'all though, YouTube, man? You know what I'm saying? Your boy back. I know you're probably like, damn, what this respect dude been at? This nigga don't upload when I ain't on my upload. Shit, what the hell you been at? I've been chilling and shit, bro. You feel me and shit? That's it. I'm back locked up, bro. Snap, you feel me? Back locked. I just love basketball type shit. Want to get a cop a GoPro and shit. You feel me? Had to cop one of them shits. Cause at first I'll use my phone for them shits, but then like my phone, like the shit too heavy. Like the shit be ass, bro. Like you can't see everything for real. Like the shit be bad. But now I got a hella video ideas though, no bullshit. Hella them shits. Me goddamn pull the camera down a little bit. I feel like that shit a little too high. Yeah, that should be perfect right there. I hope so. Let me see something. It's crazy that cause as soon as I started recording, like I see like 5 seconds like after type shit, I started my shit. The lady was pushing the cart with the TV and dead ass almost hit my car, bro. No cat. Her husband was like, babe, yeah, like get her ass, her little head ass, get her. Fuck. Hit my car, bitch. You gonna be fighting, you tripping. Hit this motherfucker if you want to. You gonna pay that. You gonna pay that. Hit that bitch if you want to. You gonna pay that. I gotta get over anyways. I went in there, went to Best Buy cause like the car, like, let me show y'all the GoPro shit I bought too though. Let me show y'all this shit real quick. This the one right here I got. If y'all can see that shit. That shit be able to sit. That's the one I got, man. I went to Best Buy and got that shit. They said it's the latest one. What'd I pay for it? All together I paid like what, $438? $438 for that shit. I got that. The SD card that go inside there. What memory I got? Like 120 gigabyte type shit. Cause they ain't had a 268, 265, whatever one it is. I don't know, I forgot. It's one of them shits. They ain't have it. And they ain't had the V10. They had the V10 ones. I need the V30 for better quality. But they ain't nobody got the shit, so I gotta order that shit probably. So I probably gotta order. I gotta order that. Oh. There you go. Excuse me. But no, how y'all boys been though, man? Like I ain't talked to y'all niggas in a brick. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't live streaming YouTube. It been like a year, I think, bro. How everybody been doing shit, man? Been like a year. No bullshit. I barely be on the game and shit though. I don't even got down be on Fortnite no more. Like, if everybody like, if you from the Fortnite channel type, not from the Fortnite channel, but if you watch my Fortnite videos before and shit, y'all see that I always play. Look at the police right there. Look. Yeah. Y'all see that I always play like my Arbor Wahey type shit. He still be playing that. Oh, this bro right here that speeded up. Hold up, we're gonna hop back on that conversation in a little bit. Hold up. I think bro right here trying to race. Look at the police though. Look how they be posted, bro. And I got a story time on that too for y'all boys. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all everything that happened. I'm gonna tell y'all. Hold on, let me speed up. Hold on. You know, 74. I don't see nobody out here on the straight. That ain't true. But yeah, 74 the speed limit out here, y'all. If y'all don't know, the speed limit out here is 70. You know, type shit. But no, like I was saying though, like my Arbor, why he still play that shit? He be playing scrims and shit. He just stopped at panning and shit. I don't be playing that shit no more, bro. I don't know. I just don't. Shit don't be fun. Shit don't be fun no more to me. That's my nigga clip right here, called. Hold on, yeah, we This shit don't be fun no more, bro. It just don't. It just don't be fun no more. This shit don't be hitting no more like it used to be. Let me check this. JB's police be on, man, bad. Oh, that shit bad, bro. And like, where they be hiding at is sad. Like, nigga, there's no way you sit there. I saw a dude the other, like, earlier, I was driving. The police sitting in the cut, like, with his speed detector, like, outside the window, like, he hanging out the window type shit, like, trying to catch niggas. Like, come on, bro. There's no way you be at work bored like that, bro. I know you get paid to do shit like that, but damn, nigga. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, man. Shit bad. I made a couple pulls for y'all too, man. Just give me a minute. Let me goddamn cross this goddamn road so I ain't gotta run from the police today, bro. So I ain't gotta worry about that shit. I don't mind doing it, but if I'm gonna run for the police, I prefer for it to be at like nighttime, you feel me? During the day, it's like, fuck it. Like, if it happens, it happens. But nighttime, ain't no such thing as stop, bro. You feel me? Ain't no such thing as stop. Like, I don't know what that means. Be driving mad slow. Turn that shit off. That shit clicking. Let me. I'll check that shit out. I ain't gonna lie. Goddamn. Attempt to do that shit. I know some of y'all be like, bro, I don't know. What if you speeding right now and the police like pull you over? Like the police coming there, like, what you gonna do? Like I got a license plate closer too, y'all. Like y'all don't know. I got a license plate closer and shit. Like all I gotta do is hit this button right here. Hit that button, and like that box right there, if y'all can see that shit, the box right there, yeah, like it'll close my back license plate. I ain't got no front license plate on. That shit look tacky. I ain't gonna lie. My front license plate is mad. That's bad. That's bad business. Front license plate. I ain't gonna lie. But my state, you know, you gotta have that shit. So I just ride with it in the car in the passenger seat or like up here. So when I get pulled, if they do pull me over for that shit, and I stop, decide to stop, I'll be like, and the shit broken off because banned already. I'd be like, the shit just fell off, I'm about to put it up. Shit, they don't know what the fuck they don't know what the hell I'm about to do for real. I'm lying to their ass. They don't know. Y'all let me know in the chat though, man, like the camera angle. I said the chat, what the fuck? So you that's that streaming shit. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments just know if the camera angle and shit good, like everything good. It's crazy, bro. I got my front windshield tinted, so I don't know how. Hopefully it come out good. And once I get that V30 card, hopefully all the quality and shit like go up. Like it'd be better quality and shit. Got here these regulars. What's that, RT? I need my brakes. I don't need my brakes. My brakes good. My job. I bought my car new type shit. He ain't really want to race for it. He went to the other side. He doing all that extra shit. Like nigga, you pussy nigga. He don't want to do that for real. But no, like I bought my car new. I bought it at 11 miles, man. 2023 Scat. You feel me? Boy, that shit at 11 miles and shit. Let me just get the paper so I can show y'all. Oh, let me show nothing. Get exposed, like no information, nothing like that. Hold up. Where that shit at? Oh, that paper. Is it this? Yeah, what the fuck? What the hell, the paper? Oh, shit. That's it right there. That's it. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh, shit. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all probably like, bro, this nigga did drive reckless. Nah, bro. Let me show y'all this shit. Let me see something. Once you learn your car, you know what gear like you could start out and really do some like crazy work. You feel me? Like really smoking, nigga, no bullshit. Once you know your car though, once you know that shit, you know. But I know I can start off from like second gear. Or third gear, probably third gear, and I really work out type shit.